3 easy exercises to lose thigh fat. What can you do to lose thigh fat? Diet and general exercise are always recommended. But these 3 simple exercises will target your inner and outer thighs, so you can slim them down, say goodbye to cellulite, and prevent chafing. If you do these exercises consistently, you could even lose fat from other parts of your body. Try to follow along to get started today. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on notifications to join us on the bright side of life. Always make sure you do a quick warm-up before your exercises and a cool down afterward to prevent injury and maintain your flexibility. Number 3. Side-lying leg raise. Time to get down on the floor. You'll do 30 repetitions on one side and 30 on the other. Lie down on your side and flex both feet. You can use your lower arm to support your head. Your other arm should be at an angle with your hand holding onto your waist. Lift your top leg as far as you can, then lower your leg without touching the ground and lift it again. Do 20 repetitions of this move. You shouldn't rest your leg on the ground. This will make your leg bounce up and the exercise won't be so effective. Make sure you're not using momentum to lower and lift your leg. The movement should be performed in a controlled fashion. Now, lower your leg for a tiny rest. Lift your leg again and hold it at its highest point. Keeping your foot flexed, make small circles in the air for 10 repetitions. For an easier approach, you can lift your leg, lower it, and touch the ground without doing the circles in the air. Now, switch sides. Start by doing 20 repetitions of the simple leg lift. To make this move more advanced, you can extend your arm and lay your head down on it. Then try lifting and lowering both legs at the same time. You'll need to keep both legs glued together the whole time. The best part of this move is that you can do it anywhere, as long as there's enough space. It will help you tone your glutes and hips, but it will mostly target your outer thighs. If you are one of the millions of people in the world with cellulite, focusing on this powerful outer thigh exercise will help you regain smooth legs and might help you drop a jean size. According to a variety of reports, cellulite affects anywhere between 80% and 98% of women, and women get it a lot more often than men, particularly in their thighs and hips. Now, finish up by doing 10 more repetitions of the air circles. If cellulite is a problem for you, remember that cellulite is essentially fat. To get rid of it, you simply need to lose body fat. Once you become slimmer, the appearance of cellulite on your thighs and glutes can be drastically reduced. Number 2. Tree lean to side lunge. Lunges are a vital part of any exercise routine that seeks to reduce thigh fat. They are good at increasing your heart rate, which leads to fat burn. And when you add the tree lean move, you get a really effective combo movement. A regular lunge will usually target just your inner thighs, but this move will also work your core, hips, and entire lower body. In addition, it will increase your strength, endurance, and range of motion. Shoot for 30 repetitions on alternating sides. Start by standing tall, placing your feet close together, and extending your arms over your head. Be careful the first time you do this movement that you don't lose your balance. Bend at the waist and reach with your hands toward the right side of the room. As you do this, push your hips to the left to get a better stretch. In a fluid movement, bring your arms back up to the original position, past it toward the left side, and then down as if you're forming a circle in the air. Extend your right leg to the side and move into a deep lunge position. Your right hand should rest on your thigh, and your left hand should touch the floor. Push off the floor and return your arms in the same circular motion to the position you started in. At the same time, bring your right foot back to the left. Make sure you don't curve your back or hunch your shoulders as you do this move. Continue doing the repetitions. Since one of the areas this move targets is your inner thigh, you can lose the fat that makes your thighs rub together and causes that painful chafing. So, say goodbye to anti-chafe products like deodorant, creams, shorts, and thigh bands. Number 1. One-legged hip thrusts, 30 repetitions. This exercise involves a compound movement, which means it works multiple joints and is perfect for fat burning. You'll need a bench, chair, or something you can safely put your foot on and push against without the object moving. Try to do 30 repetitions while alternating each leg. That's 15 repetitions on each side. Lie with your back flat on the floor and place your bent legs on the bench or chair. Push your hips upward, and while you do so, raise your right leg straight up. The other leg should remain at a 90-degree angle. Your hips should be fully extended and your back should be straight. Lower your right leg. As you do so, keep your core and glutes engaged by squeezing them. Now do the movement with your left leg and keep alternating. If you find this position difficult, you can get rid of the bench and place your foot flat on the floor. Then do the same hip thrust and leg movement. This killer move will help your thighs slim down and work wonders on your glutes as well. You're almost there. The legs are one of those stubborn areas where a lot of fat can be stored, even if you are slimming down in other areas, so don't get discouraged. It's important to do the right leg exercises that'll help you not to bulk up. If you are set on slimming down rather than getting legs that are too muscular, it's best to do exercises like this over other popular leg exercises like squats. Squats are great for increasing your metabolism and will make your glutes look phenomenal, but they can definitely make your legs look bigger. You're all done. Make sure you finish your exercise with a proper 5-minute cool-down session. Targeting a particular area for fat loss is always tricky, but these exercises will give you the best chance to lose that pesky thigh fat. For the best results, add these exercises to your existing workout routine. The best workout will include cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises. And remember to also follow a healthy diet. So tell us, Brightsiders, have you tried any other fat-burning exercises that have worked? Let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to give this video a like, share it with your friends, and click subscribe to stay on the bright side.